Find or read reviews that people are talking about YANASO portable kitchen range hood, quiet 3-speed countertop exhaust fan with dual carbon filters. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. Say goodbye to smoke and odors. Enjoy cooking without worrying about lingering smells. Our powerful 3-speed fan keeps your kitchen fresh, so you can host friends or cook late-night meals with confidence. Perfect for any small space. Whether it's a cozy apartment, dorm room, or RV, this compact, plug-and-play range hood fits anywhere. No installation, no hassle. Quiet yet powerful. Cook your favorite meals without the loud noise. The whisper quiet motor gives strong airflow while keeping your home peaceful. Easy cleaning, stress-free cooking. Detachable dual carbon filters in a large oil cup make cleaning simple. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Portable and durable. Move it anywhere, use it anytime. Lightweight, durable, and designed for convenience, perfect for renters or anyone who loves a flexible kitchen setup. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.